The greedy dog. In a village, there lived a greedy dog. His color was brown, and when he walked, his thin tail would flutter behind him. He ran all around the village with a thump-thump sound, always looking for food. He was so greedy that no matter how much food he got, he always wanted more. At first, he was good friends with the other dogs in the village. They would all bark woof woof, play together, and when someone got a bone or bread, they would share it with each other. But slowly, the greedy dog started to change. He never shared anything. Whatever he got, he would eat it alone with a chomp-chomp sound. Slowly, all the other dogs stopped playing with him. No one shared food with him anymore. But the greedy dog didn't care. He only cared about his own food. Sometimes, a passerby would come and throw water on him with a splash to send him away, but still, they would throw a piece of food with a thud, which he would quickly jump and catch, then eat with a crunch. One day, he found a big, crunchy biscuit. When he bit it with a loud crack, his eyes lit up with joy. He thought, "This biscuit is so tasty. I should enjoy it all alone." Thinking this, he left the village and walked toward the forest to eat in peace. On the way, he came to a bridge. He walked tap-tap on the wooden bridge. Below, a calm river was flowing, and the sun's light was shining twinkle-twinkle on the water. When he looked down into the river, he saw his own reflection in the water. He thought there was another dog in the river, holding a biscuit in its mouth. He got surprised and started to growl. Greed entered his mind again. He thought, "If I jump and take that dog's biscuit, I will have 2 biscuits. Then I can eat both with a munch. Thinking this, he jumped with a loud splash into the water. But as he jumped, his biscuit fell from his mouth into the water with a plop. Now he understood that the dog in the water was not real, it was his own reflection. The biscuit had floated away with the water. The dog sat sadly by the river and cried sniff. He felt sorry for what he had done, but now it was too late. Moral: greed covers the mind and stops us from knowing what is right and wrong. In the end, the one who wants too much loses even what he already has.